Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook hibachi noodles. First, you will need to choose the right noodles. Thin, round Asian varieties like yakisoba or lo mein work best. Cook them according to the package instructions, usually boiling for 3 to 5 minutes until just tender. After draining, rinse them well with cold water to halt the cooking and prevent them from clumping together. Finally, toss them with about 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, ensuring they are perfectly prepared for the next step. Next, let's gather all your essential ingredients for that classic hibachi flavor. You will need about 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/4 cup of diced yellow onion for aromatic depth. For vegetables, prepare 1 cup of sliced cabbage and 1/2 cup of shredded carrots, cut uniformly for even cooking. Whisk together 1/4 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil for your delicious sauce. Don't forget 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of a neutral cooking oil. Now, it's time to bring the heat and start sautéing. Place your large wok or skillet over high heat, letting it warm up for about 1 minute until you see a wisp of smoke. Pour in 2 tablespoons of neutral cooking oil, swirling to coat the surface. Quickly add your minced garlic and diced onion, stir-frying for 30 seconds until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, add the sliced cabbage and shredded carrots, continuing to stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. With your vegetables ready, it's time to introduce those perfectly prepped noodles and infuse them with flavor. Gently push the sautéed vegetables to one side of your pan, creating a clear space in the middle. Add the cooked noodles directly into this open area. Now, pour your prepared sauce evenly over both the noodles and vegetables, ensuring every strand gets attention. Using tongs, enthusiastically toss and mix everything together for 1 to 2 minutes, until the noodles are uniformly coated and glistening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.